ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ayu Kuscahyaningtyas, you can call me Tias, and my last ID number is 1074 from G class. And today, apparently, we're going to an agro-industrial technology factory. Can you guess what factory? But anyways, this is me getting ready, finishing my look, grow stuffs, and we're done. I'm telling you that we're on our way to a tofu factory named Raja Tahu. It's on Arjasa sub-district, maybe 20 or 30 minutes from the city. And here we are. And actually, the machine made a loud noise, so I have to voice over this video. But let me show you that I've tried and I failed. So this is the very first step in making tofu is to soak the soybeans. Dried soybeans arrive at the processing plant in huge sacks. They're placed into a vat and soaked for up to 14 hours. Next, the beans are mashed into a pulp with this machine. In the traditional way, they mash the bean using grinders, not machine like this. This is the resulting slurry. Will be boiled for between 3 to 10 minutes to neutralize a specific enzyme that is thought to hinder digestion. Okay, moving on. Once the beans have been mashed, these gentlemen will separate the milk from the pulp. The pure soy milk is then poured into this well-like container to be solidified into a tofu curds. Tofu curds are made by separating the solid parts, the curds, from the liquid parts or the whey. Right after that, the curds are pressed into blocks using traditional presses. The tofu is then cut, cleaned, and stored where it becomes firmer and waits until it's ready to be packaged. This almost answered the question of how is tofu manufactured. And anyways, this factory also produces vinegar. Tofu contains a high level of protein, y'all. Don't forget to eat a lot of tofu.